Two big brands in car rental, Avis and Budget. Which one truly delivers? On the left, Avis, premium rides for business and luxury seekers. On the right, Budget, smart savings for families and savvy travelers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get real about what sets them apart. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The result just might surprise you. Okay, here's what we're going to look at. First up, price, because honestly, that's usually my first question. Next, fleet and vehicle options. Are you getting a swanky ride or just a basic sedan? Then we're talking loyalty program and perks. Can you actually rack up points or get upgrades? After that, locations and accessibility. So how close are these guys when you need them? And finally, service and experience. Does anyone actually care about your trip, or is it all just paperwork? Let's map it out and tackle each one.
Let's start with price. If you want to save some real cash, Budget's, honestly, it's kind of a no-brainer here. They're consistently cheaper, like we're talking 15 to 20% lower rates compared to Avis. If you're on a family trip or booking for a longer period, Budget's probably going to be the friendliest for your wallet. Avis, though, comes in with that premium feel. They've got higher-tier vehicles and a vibe that's more suited for business or a luxe experience. But yeah, you will pay a premium for it. So, for pricing, Budget takes the win. Sometimes less really is more. Next up, fleet and vehicle options. Now, Avis goes all out with choices. You want a luxury sedan? Convertible for a weekend getaway? They've got it. It's genuinely exciting if you care about what you're driving. Though, heads up, some smaller locations might not have all the cool stuff. Budget, on the other hand, sticks to the basics. You've got solid variety, lots of economy cars and SUVs, which is honestly perfect for families or everyday travel. But premium options are pretty limited. So if you want that extra wow factor, Avis totally wins this round. Moving on to loyalty program and perks, and oof, there's a big difference here. Avis Preferred gives you points you can actually redeem, free upgrades if you stick around as a loyal customer, and yeah, you can literally skip the whole counter. Feels pretty VIP, not gonna lie. Budget tries to keep up with Fast Break. They help you skip the line, which is nice, but there's no real point system or extra perks. So yeah, Avis is way ahead here. You're definitely getting rewarded for sticking with them. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Avis and Budget are actually owned by the same parent company. Wild, right? Except Budget, on average, is about 15 to 20% cheaper for the same class of vehicle. So you're kind of picking between siblings here, just with different price tags. All right, let's talk locations and accessibility. Avis just shows up everywhere, especially at big airports and major cities. So if you travel a ton for work, it's pretty clutch. The only trade-off? They're a bit lighter in suburban spots. Now, Budget, they've actually got great local and suburban coverage, and they're present in over 120 countries, which is kind of wild. Their fleet's a bit smaller, though, and you don't see as many premium locations. Still, overall, Avis edges out Budget because of global access and airport presence. But Budget is surprisingly strong locally. Finally, service and experience. Avis rightfully has a rep for better customer satisfaction. Their staff are usually more professional, and the whole experience just feels a bit smoother. That said, the service can vary depending on which location you hit. Budget's all about keeping things quick and simple. It's reliable and fast, but yeah, it's not as tailored or personal as Avis. If you like a bit more attention to detail, Avis is your move. If you just want your car and to get going, Budget does the trick. On service, Avis takes it. Let's pull up our comparison chart, and you'll see it's actually pretty clear. Avis wins most categories with their premium edge, loyalty perks, and locations. But Budget shines on price and makes a solid play for families and everyday travelers. Pretty interesting when you lay it out side by side. So let's make this simple. If you're traveling for work, want a fancy car, or you care about earning perks, Avis is totally the way to go. But if you just want to keep costs down, book quick without fuss, and you're hauling the whole family, Budget is hard to beat. You get what you pay for, honestly. Was that helpful? If you're torn between luxury and savings, hopefully this cracked the code. And seriously, bookmark this for your next road trip so you're not standing at the counter second guessing.